everyone, welcome. In today's video I am going to show you how to make a DIY moisturizer using papaya. This moisturizer is rich in antioxidant, help to lighten, brighten, help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. It's an easy moisturizer to make and anyone can whip it up in their kitchen. So if you're looking for a DIY facial moisturizer that can help to transform the skin, that can help to tighten, firm the skin while giving your skin a natural glow, follow me to the kitchen. I'm going to share the full detailed recipe with you, and I'm also going to share some tips on how to get the best result from using this on your skin. Take a look at the first ingredient. Here I have papaya, which I've already de-seeds and peel. The papain found in papaya is attributed with smoothing skin irritation, and its anti-inflammatory properties makes it an ideal ingredient for acne and blemish-prone skin. Its natural and effective exfoliating properties brighten the skin by removing dead skin cells and flaky patches on the top layer of your skin. Added to that, the flavonoid in papaya boosts collagen production, which makes the skin soft, firm, and supple while reducing fine lines. Papaya is also rich in vitamin A and vitamin C, help to brighten, lighten, and give the skin a natural glow. So I'm going to use about 2 ounces of the papaya, and I'm going to chop them in small pieces. What I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be blanching the papaya on the stove. Blanching meaning that we're not going to totally cook the papaya. We're preserving all the natural antioxidant. But when you do it like this, it actually your products a longer shelf life. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a saucepan and I'm going to add the papaya to the saucepan. Once this is done, I'm going to reach for some water and I'm going to pour about a cup of water in the saucepan with the papaya. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to let it come to a boil, and as soon as it comes to a boil, I'm going to remove it from the stovetop. Once I remove it from the stovetop, I'm going to put it aside to cool. So now that our papaya is cooled, I'm going to place it in the blender. I'm also going to be using the water that we blanched the papaya in. Put it all in the blender, and then I'm going to cover and I'm going to blend. Now after blending, take a look. This is what our puree papaya looks like, and this is what we're going to use to make our facial cream. So my first ingredient to add to the papaya is going to be some aloe vera oil. Aloe vera oil is rich in anti-inflammatory properties, help to clear pigmentation on the skin while hydrating the skin. I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of the aloe vera oil. Aloe vera oil you can find on my website ALESMAXii.com. Aloe vera oil is a light oil. It will not clog the pores, making it a good oil for all skin type. Also, you can use aloe vera oil for your nails. You can also use it for your hair. My next ingredient is going to be apricot oil. And apricot oil is rich in vitamin C or vitamin E. It's a very light oil, just like the aloe vera oil. It will not clog the pores and is great for reducing wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. I'm going to be using a tablespoon of the apricot oil. Pour this in. Now you can choose to use any of your favorite oils, such as papaya seed oil, rosehip seed oil. You can also choose to use pomegranate seed oil, just any oil, and even olive oil or a bit of a soybean oil. So now that we have the oil in the mixture, we are gonna now blend a second time. So let's go ahead and blend. We are making a facial cream, an anti-aging papaya facial cream. So after blending, let's pour this back in the prep bowl, and you can find this small prep bowl in my products link. And take a look. This is now very creamy, but we have one more ingredient to add to this, which is going to be some aloe vera gel. This is also going to work as a preservative in the mixture. So we're using about 2 tablespoons of the aloe vera gel. Let's pump this in. You can also find this aloe vera gel on my website, ALESMAXii.com. So pump your aloe vera 2 tablespoons and use whatever aloe vera gel that you have. So once this is done, we are gonna mix. No need to put this back in the blender. Just take a whisk or your spoon, whisk this in, totally blend it in the mixture. Once this is done, guess what? Your facial cream is ready to use. Now, to use this, you are gonna wash your face thoroughly. Pat dry, apply your toner and your serum, and then take a little bit of the moisturizer, put it in your hands or dab it on your face and massage it on the skin. Good to use also on the neck and décolleté. Store this in the refrigerator. Use it up within about 7 days or so. Give it time to work on the skin. Give it a few weeks, and after you use it for a few weeks, come back and leave a comment. And there you have it, an easy DIY using papaya for brighter, clearer, younger looking skin. For brighter, clearer, natural, hydrated, younger looking skin.